Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to install a keypad door lock. Let me show you how it's done. There are many different keypad door lock options on the market, from entering a code to locking it on your phone. Select the option that's best for your home. When selecting a keypad door lock, you'll want to consider the finish and make sure it matches your current door hardware, or consider updating those at the same time. The nice thing about this option is it also includes a key option, so access is still possible with the key they provide. Start by removing the old hardware from the door. This particular lock we're installing today is a smart Wi-Fi deadbolt, allowing the user to enter the code or use their phone to lock and unlock the door. Next, install the bolt into the door. On this particular model, note that there is a top and bottom. Make sure you're installing it correctly. Follow up by placing the keypad on the outside of the door and feed the wires through the door towards the inside. Then, place the back plate on the inside of the door. The keypad is now secured to the door. Now it's time to connect the wires. It's easy to do, just insert the two ends together for the wire. Then slip the back of the device onto the door and tighten with the provided screws to lock in place. Give the latch a test to make sure it's able to turn without the entire lock moving. This model runs on batteries, so no need to worry about any electrical work with the installation. With the batteries in, we'll put the back plate on to finish the lock installation on this project. With the lock installed, you can now set up your code. Each keypad lock is different on how to set that up, so read the directions carefully. If your phone has Wi-Fi function to it, you'll follow the manual and app instructions to pair the device to your phone. You can have true peace of mind that the door is locked just by checking your phone when you're away. And that's it. If you need more information, go to your local Ace Hardware store. You can go to our website as well, acehardware.com, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Ace is the helpful place.